Hello Aquarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 8 to 14 September 2020. Let me quickly remind you, these are general readings. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Quickly looking into your weekly energies, but before I look into your weekly energies, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. We've got Queen of Wands and Guidance. So Queen of Wands here indicates that you could be really extrovert this week. You could be really outspoken. You could be someone who is networking a lot this week, who is socializing a lot. You get growth through your networking or socializing. You might also find someone who can give you the guidance that you require in your personal life right now. This could be a sincere friend because we've got 2 eights and 2 queens. So sincere friend and new knowledge. This could be someone you meet at a party, someone you meet at a gathering, online gathering, anywhere. This could be an old friend also who will end up giving you some sort of a guidance that will really benefit you in the long run. However, I would suggest that you not be very aggressive when it comes to taking a step. Think thoroughly, create a plan and then go forward with it. Also do a feasibility check with the plan and then move forward in regards to that. On the love front, we've got Justice and the Miser. So the Justice card here indicates that there could be someone who is starting to see the relationship in a new light. This could be you, this could be your partner. Energies are fluid, roles can be exchanged, take however it resonates with you. But one of y'all is being still very not giving too much into the relationship. You could feel that about your partner. You could feel that they are very reserved. They are not letting you enter their space. They could be very possessive or very cautious of what they allow into their life. This could be them and this is you. Could also mean that you would want to be a part of their life on a permanent basis, but they still might be really wealth oriented. They could be like, okay, I do not want to share my resources with anybody. I don't want to be with someone who can drain my resources. Also, someone, if you've been wanting to marry, they could ask you to sign a prenup because they are really concerned about their wealth and their assets. This is for a very few people. Not too many people out there go getting prenup agreements signed, but this could be for very few people. I am picking it up only for a very few Aquarius here. For the others of you, it is because they're not really opening up, and you may really want to be with this person. Even they like you, they really like you, but they have this they are the ones who would keep the other person always answerable to them. They would be someone who wants the other person to surrender. If these qualities are something that match to your partner, then you have to be careful in how you deal with them. On your work front, we've got 6 of Swords and 8 of Cups. So you are finally moving forward. You are leaving something behind. Could be a negative experience, could be a negative job, could be something that you've had not a very good time with, and now you have decided to move forward. You are mentally letting it go. You are if you are in the same job, you are mentally leaving that experience behind, leaving the negative emotional baggage behind, and you are now making a way to move forward in the same job, or to move to a new country, move to a new city, move to a new company that can offer you much better benefits, or even if it's not much better benefits, but it is something because you have had negatively emotional experiences here, and and this could be something that forced you to move away from this current opportunity. However, I see a friend helping you out in this situation. It could be a friend who could give you some sort of a new news or new knowledge about a new opportunity that can help you grow further. For my female Aquarians, I see some issues to do with your uterus or ovaries. For the others of you, or for all of you, it could be something to do with digestion problems, diarrhea. It could also be something to do with constipation, ulcers, starvation, stress disorders, and depression. If you are going through anything of this sort, if you're going through anything that can cause you a depression, I really advise you to keep a jade with you. This is a jade that will really, really help you. It will help you heal whatever is required. Looking at some of the advices that we have for you. On the love front, we've got chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Improving health. If there is a question that has been on your mind and you don't know what to do about it, the angel suggests that you need to improve your health, or you are improving your health this week. Editor, your writing or other creative project benefit from outside help and support. Definitely take the support that you require, Aquarians. And your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. You need to give yourself 12 months to accomplish whatever you want to. You have to give yourself some time and some goal preparation that will help you reach wherever you want to. So Aquarians, this was your weekly prediction for 8 to 14 September 2020. If you like this reading, please hit the like button, and if you want a personalized reading, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.